How to install a Mosaic tile backsplash. Here are the tools and materials you're going to need to install a Mosaic tile backsplash. Before you begin, choose your tile. If your backsplash has an open edge, be sure to get a matching Schluter trim. Step 1. Prep. Turn off power and remove outlet covers. Tape off and cover countertops for protection during install. Remove any appliances along the wall. Once the appliances have been removed, screen in a 1x2-inch ledger board that lines up directly with the countertop. If you are removing a current backsplash, discard the drywall and install 1/2-inch backer board. Step 2. Prime. Use a roller brush to apply the Eco Prim grip. Use a laser level to create a vertical start line where you will begin laying your tile. Measure and dry lay the tile to ensure the tiles are cut to fit in the working area for your backsplash. If the tiles need to be cut, set the cut edge of the tiles on top directly under the cabinets to hide the cut edges. Step 3. Install. Before you begin, be sure you have read all the technical data sheets and instructions on the packaging. Pour a Diesel X and water in correct measurements into a bucket. Use a ruby paddle at a low RPM to mix the product to a peanut butter consistency. Apply the setting mixture with a 1/4 by 1/4 by 1/4 inch square trowel. Begin the installation from the bottom up, leaving a 1/8 inch space at the bottom. Use spacers to be certain you get the grout size of your choice. Tap the tile to be sure it is secure. Continue with each tile until the mosaic is complete. Finish edge with Schluter edging trim to ensure a clean finish. Once the tile and trim are up on the wall, let it dry for 24 hours. Step 4. Grout. Floor & Decor recommends using pre-mixed grout, Flex Color CQ or Flex Color 3D. Choose your grout and test a small area to be sure it does not scratch your tile. Apply grout diagonally and press into grout joints. When applying the grout, leave it on the tiles for a few minutes. Then wipe off the excess grout with a damp sponge. Once you complete your installation, no seal is needed when using Flex Color CQ or Flex Color 3D. Find a variety of options at your local Floor & Decor store or at flooranddecor.com.